Hi, I'm Marna and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and Darren and I did some after Christmas shopping, and I'm going to spare you from all we bought from everywhere, but I would like to show you some fun things here. These are pretty much doll related, well, most of it was. We had gone to Walmart the day after Christmas and I spent quite a lot. And then on Wednesday after Christmas, we went to a bigger town. You know, we live in a really small town. We went to a bigger town that actually has a Hobby Lobby. And I was amazed how much they had left. And all of the stores now have their Valentines out, which I absolutely love. And I have Marge here with me just because I really like her. Okay, to be honest, I think I know what this is. I think it's bicycle related. It is. I saw this. Hobby Lobby had their, I'm just gonna toss this here, had their Christmas items 75% off, which was like a steal. So I went ahead and I got this ornament. Darren and I had a whole tree that was done in bicycle ornaments. We haven't put it up in the last couple of years. We've been kind of lazy and no one comes, so I got two laces. These were 40% off, not because they were Christmas, but because they had them off. I bought some fabrics I really like. They all have a purpose. Look at this cute Valentine's print. It's different. I like it. It's not just hearts, but it has the hearts and roses, which, you know, roses are the traditional flower for Valentine's. And then I got this for a project I'm working on. I really like it. It's a crushed velvet stretch knit, which my machine is going to say no to. I just know it. And it doesn't matter what I do. Thank you for your tips, but I've tried it all. I thought this was real cute. I've got a little project I want to do with that, and I hope it works. And then monkeys. They were almost out of this, and I thought, well, I'm going to get some because a lot of times when it's gone, and you never see it again. So I got that, a yard, and then they had this left on the bolt. So I asked her, was it going to go for rim knit costs? And she said, yeah. And I asked, well, could you do that now? Well, she did. So I was really pleased. Not only did I get more than it says here, but I got a really good price. It was 40% off. Anyway, I got almost a yard, just shy. I think it was like an inch shy for $3.66. And I do love that fabric. I've done a lot with it, and I'm going to do a lot more. These were 75% off. I only got one. My cart was getting full, to be honest. $2.50 for the little elves. I absolutely love the elves. I did a lot with gingerbread this year, and they had, it was kind of the gingerbread year, wasn't it? But they had these little stickers. Let me pull one so you can, yeah, let me set it over here. They had these little stickers, which are really cute, and I thought, well, they're not really cookies, but I might be able to do something with them in my Blythe house that I hope to be working on. Speaking of which, they had their unfinished wood items. What were these, 40% off, Darren?
I don't remember.
40 or 50% off. I can't remember which. I thought there was a cute little trunk for my attic in my Blythe house. Oh, I got this trim. I'm thinking it might go with this emerald green. We'll see. We'll see.
40% off?
40% off, yeah. Because we had to go back and see because they didn't ring it 40% off. I got this. Y'all, if you haven't seen my video with the trains, I am hoping to make a glitter train in scale, and I got this to go, you know, around the track. I thought it was cute. I got some itty bitty hooks for the dollhouse. Well, even ours. We put up a very small tree this year on the inside of our train we set up in the living room that's going to stay up. I got some candy canes. My Little Christmas. If you've ever seen this, it's like all the miniatures And they had these 75% off. Like I said, these make really cute little ornaments on a small tree. But they are also charms. I'm trying to pull one so you can see it singing. They look pretty good. They're charms that can be sewn onto the doll's fabric, you know, clothing fabric. Or you could cut that ring off and the doll could hold them. So I might have got a few of those. I went overboard, but it was one of those, they were so inexpensive and I would kick myself if I didn't. You know, like these buttons for doll size. I thought they'd be cute for the dolls on Christmas clothes. And these ended up 75 cents or 87 cents, something like that. Anyway, I really like those. And same thing with these. You know, they're charms, they're ornaments, or you could use those like hanging from your fireplace in a dollhouse. Something like that.
Earrings?
Yeah, there you go, earrings. I bought these for Route 66, my hopefully 50-ish Blythe doll. And I can't find the cat ears or cat eye glasses anywhere else except Hobby Lobby. I paid $4, but they're worth it. Now they have them on AliExpress, but they go out to the side, not up like the cat eyes. And I just thought they were cute. They only had the one color left, and they only had a couple left, so I bought them. And then I got some Blythe doll beads. These were 50% off, and these are really nice beads. I was happy to have them. We went to Walmart, and I bought way more than this. Oh my God, my cart full at Walmart. I got this because I've got some welly wishers coming, and I thought that'd be a real cute print for the welly wisher. And this goes with some of these items. So that's job in, what do you call it? Project in?
Project in progress? I don't
Yeah,
know.
progress. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. What kind of good buys did you get after Christmas? Oh, someone asked, did I buy any dolls after Christmas? I did not, but I am still watching one, a rainbow hive that I have an idea for. If I can get it as cheap as I saw it on Amazon, I'm willing to paint it. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.